One of this week's projects of the week is a 2023 BMW X3. Stick around. Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. So one of the projects for this week was a 2023 BMW X3, really nice color, carbon black, and I've been waiting a few weeks to get this one in. The owner was waiting on it to arrive at the dealership. We did a thorough decontamination on it. When the owner was on the way to pick up the vehicle, he said that he would just simply have the dealership wash it and then bring the rest to me. I told him, have them do nothing to it but give you the keys. So when we got it, it wasn't extremely dirty, but there was a lot of cleaning up to do. But it's best that you do your own cleaning up because it'll save you on a potential paint correction as opposed to a simple one step. So once we got it cleaned up, we brought it inside, did our one step on it. Carbon black is one of the coolest colors because it's really dark blue, so it plays a few different roles depending on the lighting that it's under. This is my first time seeing one in this color without black wheels, but these 21s look really good, and the interior on this one looks really good as well. This one also came with the aluminum grille, really slick. I love that matte finish on it. It's just a very well put together vehicle. By the time we got finished with the polish, we installed the OptiCoat Pro Plus for 7 years of warranty. The coating is going to last a lot longer than that, and I just love the way that OptiCoat looks on any vehicle. So for all of my private clients, if you're looking to have a vehicle done, you can bring it in to 706 Hope Mills Road in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And if you're out of town, you can bring it in on the weekend and then pick it up the next weekend if necessary. And if you're within a 45-minute drive to an hour drive, we'll come out and pick it up from you, no problem. And for all my paint correctors, there are plenty more vehicles out there that need to be done. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.
Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about our business transition program, where we take anybody who's looking to get into paint correction, whether you're already doing general detailing or you're ready to transition from your white collar, blue collar, military, school career, whatever the case might be, we're going to transition you into paint correction. If you're looking to go from a little bit of detailing experience into full-blown paint correction or zero experience at all, I'm going to show you how to go from a little bit of money to a lot of money. We'll show you how to go from 0 to 5 figures or 0 to 6 figures, whatever it is that you're looking to do, I can show you how to do it. But it's not just teaching you how to run a machine. Anybody can run a machine, and a lot of us grew up in a garage. That's not the holdup. The holdup is knowing the business part, knowing how to set up a website, how to talk with your customers, knowing the verbiage of the industry that you're in. You have to know these things in order to succeed and grow and scale something that's going to have a foundation that'll be around forever. How to build a brand, how to get the corporation or the LLC, how to offer financing to your customers. All of this stuff that's taken me years to figure out, we're going to offer it to you. So we have a tier 1 and a tier 2 program, guys, and tier 1 is including in-house training. If you want to come in for a week, you can come in for a week. I'll put my stamp of approval on you. Or if you want to go tier 2 and just stay online, that's cool too. It's a lifetime experience. I'm very excited to finally be able to offer this. You'll be, like I always say, getting around those learning curves fast, super fast in this case, because it's taken me, again, years to get here, guys. And just being able to offer financing changes the game for somebody who's either been in business for some time or looking to get into this business. Guys, if you're ready to go to the next level, this is only for the serious people now, hit that link below, check out the free masterclass on the business transition program. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.